man, Carroll Shelby. Engineer, race driver. The car, the Shelby Mustang GT.
I'm not Carroll Shelby, and this is barely even a Mustang, but you're watching Earl's Gone Wild. Alright, if you haven't seen any of our last videos, as a quick recap, we replaced all of the floor and underneath structures to be able to cut that roof off. We did try to save the driver's side for some wall art. We'll see if we use it or not. But in this video, we're going to start hacking away.
Stop it. Get some help.
And wrestle with it a little. Yeah! I'm definitely making this harder than it's supposed to be.
That's what she said.
Fire. Fire.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm!
Fire.
That's fine. If anybody needs a gently used taillight panel, let us know.
Behind you. Look what she made.
I'm going to try to save the inner tubs because there's just a tiny little piece that I can replace in the front and the rest of it's pretty good. But there's so much of this rear trunk area that I have to remove from that, and the whole flange and the inside and repair. I have the new tubs. I think we're going to go ahead and just cut these out also. This is definitely the proper technique.
How satisfying was that?
No, I'm exhausted. Piece to the marketplace pile. grinding away and cleaning this up, I noticed that I f***ed up. Got a little carried away when I was cutting with the plasma cutter, and I cut the flange off the sub's frame rail back here. So I'm gonna get another piece of metal here, got a little line scribed out. I'll cut this and then we'll break it to a 90 and fix my mistake. All right, so I got my mark in the middle of this. We're gonna use this little brake from Swag off-road. Works pretty good. So I got that piece bent up. So I gotta clean up some more. And we're gonna put it right in there. Clamp it in and weld it, trim it. Fix it. I know none of the panels are prepped to put on the car, but I'm gonna start clamping panels in place just to give us a visual and see what this thing's gonna look like. So, here we go. All right. All right, so now that we saw what the floor looked like in this thing, we're gonna start putting the side panels on. See if we can get it to look like a car. Well, everything's just barely clamped in place, but doesn't that look cool? You gotta have some vision. You gotta squint your eyes a bit and turn the lights off and pretend. But it's close. Still got a lot more work to do to actually make this thing correct all up inside. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow along, like, subscribe, check out the merch store. Something like that.